Hi Mum, so just a quick video on how to show you how to use Samsung. Just in case anyone else is watching this video, my mum decided to wash her phone last night with water, so phone's dead. Luckily the TV remote control survived, so just a quick video to show you how to work it. So it's just got a cover on it, just closed with a magnet, don't know if you can see that. So just open it up, okay, and this is going to be fun. Okay, so I'm going to leave it switched on for you, but just if you ever do need to turn it on and off, on the side here, oh, that's easy enough, there's only one button, just hold it in and it should come on. Just take its time. Turn it around a bit. The speaker is down here at the bottom, so when you are talking on the phone, if you want to talk into it like that, or you're hearing it, you can, instead of holding it like that, maybe just hold it like that. I don't know whereabouts on your hearing aid it picks up the sound, so just move it around and have a look what's best for you. So Bex set up the size of the text and the colours of the buttons. She's put a few your phone numbers in. See, it's coming on. Yeah. Oh, it's on already. So it is pretty much set up, ready. So there's no password on it, so it should be able to get on fine. So it's switched on. It's blank screen. So the way to hold it, best way to hold it is probably just around the side. The full screen, it's not like your old phone where you've got buttons anymore. The full screen is sensitive, it's looking for you to touch it. So if you clamp your phone like that, you're more than likely going to press a button. I haven't pressed a button, but you're more than likely going to press something there. So just try and sit your fingers around the back, maybe just like that, and there's only one button on the screen and it's down here at the bottom. I don't know if you can see that. Just there. So you just press that once and this screen comes on. It just says swipe screen to unlock. If it goes off, you're just going to have to tap it on again. So swipe the screen to unlock it and your main screen should come on. Okay? If you go off onto a different screen like it just came up then, to return to the screen, just click that button. Now you don't need to hold anything down for a long amount of time. She's just got an email through. Right, okay, so first one, to make a phone call, let's just put all the 4 things that you're going to need mainly. Your phone, contacts, so your phone list where everyone's got the phone numbers. She's put WhatsApp for you, but I'll come to that later on. And your messages, text messages. So the first one, you just click. So if you hold your fingers like that kind of thing, you're probably going to touch a load of other things on the screen. So it's best just to hit it directly with the end of your fingertip. So it's gone off again. So again, I'm just going to just that one button and swipe. Just drag your finger across the screen and you can see it's come straight up on your telephone bit. So again, the only one button that's on the screen, just tap it and it goes back to the original one. So the first picture there, I don't know if you can see, the little picture of a phone. So just click on it and you should get your phone book up. If you click on contacts, which is in the middle, again just tap it and you'll be able to scroll up and pick who you're going to ring. So I just phone myself. So I go to Sylvia and there's a call or a message. So I press the phone call and it should phone me up now. It should phone me. Yeah. So I'll turn that off. So I'll go back to the main screen. I'll turn it off as though then you just sat watching Coronation Street, and I'll phone you off another phone just to show you how to answer it. 10,000 phones. Right, so how to answer it should come through. You've got, I'll just turn the volume down. You've got a red, so you can hang up or you can answer it. So when you do it, don't just tap it, you got to tap it and slide, okay, and then it's answered. So if you need loudspeaker on, you can see it there. Just pull it away from you for a second and just have a look. And again, talking to the bottom there, that's the speaker there. And then when you end the call, just tap that little red cancel. You'll recognise it once you see it. And that's it. That's how to make a phone call. Alright, hope that was easy enough. When you're finished, your power button, which is on the side, just hit it once, just gently, just turn it off, and just, so it's a black screen then, and you can just close your screen and leave it, okay? Okay, so click on messages again, just tap it, and you want to write a new one. So if I just get it up here, and this little orange thing there, you want to press that. I'll see if I can zoom in on that later on. So the keys here, Beck's done them up so you can see them a bit more clearer. Contacts. If you get your finger just lightly and just scroll it, I don't know if you can see that motion, I'm just tapping my finger on and just scrolling it up. I'll just have to double check that, I'm not showing everyone's phone numbers there, but my number's in there, so I'm just going to click on it and a little tick comes up, and press compose that's at the top of the screen. Okay, so comes up with a new number, new message, and it says enter message. So just read the screen, try and follow the instruction that's on it. So I'm just going to start typing, and again, just one finger, just lift it on. There's a space at the bottom. You probably like this better than your old Nokia style phone, because it's more like a keyboard, you know the layout. If there's a key missing from there, I'll come back to that. Yeah, just use what's there. There's a full stop there. The space bar is this bottom, says English UK on it. You probably can't see that, never mind. And then when you're ready, just hit the send button. It's on a little, so it's gone off again because I've been talking too long. So again, just hit that bottom button and just swipe your finger again, and it brings up the screen that you had on before. So you just press the send, and that sent it to me. To get out of that, because you want to go back to your main screen, I've just got your message through now. To go back to the main screen, again, just that bottom button. If you're unsure about anything, just press that bottom button. If a message comes up, it's just O2, telling you how much you've got left on your top up card. Just press OK. So that's it basically. Messages. Type what you want to write. Press send. And then your main screen, press on that button. Again, just close that screen. Okay, so if you want to send it to somebody else, get the messages up, and can't even remember how to do it myself. I think in this top corner here where it says Sylvia, let me just try it. Yeah, where it says Sylvia, I'll move it out of the way so you can't see the numbers. Where it says Sylvia at the top, there's a tiny little red arrow. Just press that and it takes you back to the original menu. And again, at the bottom, there's a little compose button down at the bottom. So you hit on it and you scroll for the numbers. Select who you want. I'm going to show you how to use WhatsApp, but if you can't grasp it, it doesn't matter. You can wait till I can come round and show you when all this is over. So again, you're going to open your phone, the blank screen. So just tap the bottom button, turn it on, and put your finger on and just swipe. Okay, so it's on your phone menu. So to come out of that, remember there's only one button on the screen. just tap that bottom button just gently there. So at the bottom, I'm just going to show you, you've got, it's showing you the time there. It's showing you what percentage your battery's on. So you won't be able to see it, but if I just point more or less, no, that's failed. You'll be able to see it anyway when you're having a look. Try not to let it go below 30, and I'll give you a charger and I'll show you. You just plug it in at the bottom there, but it goes in a certain way, so don't try and jam it in because you might bend the little pins there. But I'll show you. I'll put a piece of tape on so you know which way that goes. So let's have a look. So I'll just show you what I did then by accident. If I go onto the wrong screen and I don't know how to get back, and I'm lost on it, all you do is hit that bottom button and it should return you right to the beginning. No, it doesn't. It doesn't. So just get your finger and just swipe it all the way to the end, just till you get your sunflower back on. There should be nothing else on the screen except for these bottom 4. If there is, it doesn't matter, as long as you can get to your phone and your text. So the third button in there, it's also the green one. So your first green one is your phone call. The third green one is your WhatsApp. So it's installed for you. All you do is click on it, go to calls and press call, and then just keep looking at it because it'll tell you what to do. You can either do a phone call or a video. Now this is free, this. If you're in the house, it's using your Wi-Fi. So if you're in your house, you can make a phone call and it'll show you there. It'll start. So if you want to cancel, just turn it off to cancel. I probably haven't explained that properly. You can chat. What I'll do is I'll send you a message first in WhatsApp and you can just reply to me. But it says start a chat. So I click on that start a chat. I'll see if I can find me there, just scrolling up, press Sylvia and type a message. It says it at the bottom, type a message. So click in it just to get the keyboard up, type your message, and when you've typed it, just press send, which is that little green button there. To attach a picture, if you want to send a picture, there's a little picture of a camera just at the side there. So get your camera on. I'm going to press allow. So you face your camera to whatever you want to take a picture of, and you see that round button there. You can see it there. There we go. Just tap that. It's took a picture of it and you're ready to send it. Just press that green button there and it's sent. So you sent me a picture of my radiator, my wallpaper. So I'll do it again. Go back to your front screen, send a WhatsApp message, press your WhatsApp button. Now mine's come up already because you just sent me one. So type in there, type what you're wanting and press send. Even if you don't know how to send a picture, other people can send you the pictures and you can just look at them for now. If you want to do a video chat, there's a video at the side of it. So if I video you, you can answer it. So it doesn't matter if you don't know how to do it, we'll do it to you and we can answer it that way. So again, if you want to message somebody else and not me or the last person who you've messaged, I'm just going to go to this little arrow at the top next to my name. Just go to chats, go to compose new, and you pick who you want to send a picture to or a text to. It's just another way of sending a text, but you can send pictures, videos, do free phone calls. So there we go. I probably haven't explained that as much as I can. So remember to turn everything off or go back to your main screen, just tap it once. That's the main thing. Try and hold your finger instead of holding it down like that where you're going to touch everything in one go. Try and hold it, you know, and just tap just till you get used to it. And we'll see. I'm going to come now and drop it off on your doorstep, and I might get a text off you or a phone call in the next 5-10 minutes maybe. If not, email me and I'll phone your landline and we'll try a different way. Okay, bye.